oh, if you do this, we'll save you 10,000 hours of whatever you normally do. First of all, there's one important thing to know. You got to know how to prompt the thing. You got to train its little brain so that when you give it input, it's going to output the way you expect it. It's not as simple as you typing into a box and getting the desired output that you're looking for if it hasn't been trained. Because I'm going to promise you right now, ain't going to happen. There's got to be some concepts, whether it's a persona, how it's to analyze your data, what it expects for acceptable data format to be inputted to it, and what's expected, how it should output it to you. So that's called your little instructions or directives, or in Claude, we call them projects. ChatGPT, they're called custom bots. Call them whatever you want. They still got a set of custom directions in the background based on your specific needs to generate your desired output. Because if you just
So
go into it butt naked, it just don't happen.
let's talk a tabletop scenario where someone may need their email monitored and they may need their schedule monitored. So it sends them a text before their next meeting and where it's at. And it's a reminder and just the simplicity of what agents can do. What would you say is a good workflow for that? Would you say that we should have a physical server, a VPS server, hosted services for security? What kind of stack
Well,
would you?
hosted services for, I mean, obviously you want to go with ultimate privacy that you can, because that's the biggest thing. Keep in mind, anything handled by Chat GPT, if it's not on a local environment, in essence, is publicly or potentially publicly trained data. I mean, it's got to learn from something. So whatever you put in there is what it's learning from. So that's where you have to make the determination. Are you going to run this from a local environment on your own private network? Or are you just going to run it wide open and let it go with the flow? That being said, what you got to do is set up some triggered automations. So, like even on an iPhone, I've got a custom shortcut, which is built onto every iPhone as far as the application shortcuts, goes through, reads all my emails. If it sees something in there that's relative to a date and a time, automatically creates an event on my calendar and my reminders app. Based on the date, I've got it set to give me a 2-hour warning or advance notification to it.